Marami ang nagtatalo at diskusyon noon kung sino nga ba kay Floyd Mayweather at Manny Pacquiao ang dapat kilalaning pound for pound boxer. Pero isa ang naging malinaw at wala nang naging masyadong maraming usapin kung sino ang nasa likod or number 3 pound for pound boxer in the world. Yan ay ang dating construction iron worker turned boxer na si Sergio Martinez ng Argentina. Sa unang pagtatangka ni Martinez na maging world champion sa middleweight division, hindi siya pinalad. Mabigat ang nakalaban, ang binansagang The Punisher na si Paul Williams. Pero hindi pa tapos ang istorya nila. Matapos maging ganap ng world champion si Martinez, muling nag-cruise ang kanilang landas. Malaki ang nakataya sa laban.
Let the ride begin as Williams throws the... What do you look for early?
Well, I'm surprised that Williams is coming out so fast. Sometimes he's a slower start. Martinez, because he's been the most aggressive. One of the biggest mistakes I had in the...
Williams trying to get a little jab work. Big point of round one. Lancing left.
Looks like Martinez, great exchange.
This is what Martinez said he wanted, was to be more aggressive and try to have a chance to get into his groove of being aggressive. As Williams started challenging. Martinez, because Williams is used to fighting at this type of a tempo.
That exchange gets a rise out of the...
Now Williams is starting to connect with clean shots.
Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of holes.
Good left hand, and down goes Williams.
I think it was a right hand.
Right hand, Williams through the left, Williams down.
He's not getting up, guys.
Not getting up.
That is the knockout of the year, if nothing else.
And we're going to take a look at how it ends. Williams throws a left, but Martinez beats him with the left.
Shorter punch here. I thought it was a right. Shorter punch. And, you know, this is what's so strange about boxing and so great about boxing. Williams was fighting the perfect fight, doing everything right. And just one punch out of nowhere changed the whole result. He never saw the punch.
Martinez's left got there first. And Williams was out from the moment the punch hit him. Dr. Dominic Coletta and his staff got...
Sensational, shocking, one-punch knockout of a normally iron-chinned, top-notch fighter.
Williams' mind was so much on the attack and aggression that he didn't even expect I'll see the punch.
Talagang tulog si Paul Williams sa lakas ng suntok na inabot kay Martinez at tumirik pa ang mata. At nang may masmasan, tila hindi alam ni Williams kung nasaan siya. Si Martinez lang ang nakapagpabagsak ng ganon kay Williams. Sa panalo, natanong si Martinez kung open siya sa posibilidad na labanan si Mayweather o si Pacquiao noon.
Would you fight, do you want to fight Mayweather or Pacquiao at a catchweight fight? How low can you go?
I would have to hear offers. 156 would be fine, but I would want to hear the offers.
At noong 2011, lumabas na nga ang listahan ng daring pound for pound boxer in the world. At nasa number 3 ang dating construction worker na si Sergio Martinez ng Argentina. So yan po ang gusto kong i-share sa inyo ngayong araw sa mga kaibigan at kababayan natin dyan sa Pinas, mga boxing fans at sa mga tulad kong OFW saan man panig sa mundo. Kumusta po kayong lahat dyan? Kung nagustuhan niyo po itong aking video, paki-like at kung pwede, mag-subscribe na din po kayo. At para updated kayo sa aking mga video, pwede nyo i-click ang notification bell. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Shout out kay JR Pitalcorin, Dennis Brunoso, Orlando Season, Zyros Gaming, Vicky Yabot, kay Mr. Dong Tangloy Malyari, Jenmerjan Garcia ng Macau, Madam V, Vilma Hampreyes, at kay Mr. Jerry Oliveros Jr.